Courage, the ability to do something that frightens one.
Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Bring me down, can't none bring me down. Your love is too high. Bring me down, can't none bring me down.
Thank you for watching.
Being brave even if something is scary. Lizzie was scared of heights, but she decided to face her fear and ride the Ferris wheel. That's courage.
Courage. Having courage means being brave even when things are scary or hard. It's like taking a big risk and standing up for yourself and friends. Well, for example, Timmy, he was getting bullied, so he decided to stand up to him. Now they are friends. The end. By E.J. from Samuelson Fifth.